One of the main themes of the workshop is that chronological and physiological age are very different and not an objective assessment of the person's capability. Hello everyone, this is Coach Julio. So I'm very excited to announce my new workshop called Chronological versus Physiological Age. Practical implications for training the older adults, available now online or in person. If you are involved with senior fitness, such as personal trainers, physical therapists, healthcare providers, or community centers, this workshop's for you. Now, I firmly believe that there is a need for a more holistic approach to senior health and fitness, which can only be achieved through a concerted effort between the fitness industry and healthcare providers. Now, if you believe like I do, then this workshop is for you. So what will you learn in the workshop? You will gain a new perspective about chronological versus physiological age, perceptions and fears, the missing link of older adults training, introduction to the Spartan method for goal setting and prescribing a fitness regimen. You will learn practical applications of auxiliary exercises in your program design and coaching tips. Included in the workshop is how to increase value of your services by collaborating with other health, fitness, and medical providers, and also being an online resource. So here's a little fun fact. Older adults are outpacing the younger market in the fitness industry. They are becoming more motivated and educated about the benefits of physical activity as a result of media coverage. Attitudes and outdated stereotypes towards older adults are also changing for the better. That being said, as health and fitness professionals, we have a responsibility to evolve our own standards and incorporate specific programming into our work with the older adults population. The workshop is based off my book titled Sparta Seniors, Synchronicity of Science, Perception of Limitation, and Movement. Now, if you want to learn more about the workshop, you can click on the link in the descriptions. In there, I have a few video clips of a previous workshop. If you are interested in hosting or learning about upcoming events, you can also send me an email, juliosalado@fitnessfoundry.net. So what do you think? Please post your comment.